I look good. I look good. Looking through a Red Riding Hood. Girl look good. Hair look good. Short bob. Shake the bob. See, I didn't even shake the bob. I'm so lame, bro. Give it a bob. Give it a bob. Red bob. Red Riding Hood bob. And hi. I know they are not mowing the grass right now. Child, anyway, today we'll be installing this, this red bob wig from QTIKER Hair. You already know we gotta peel the muffin cap back blue, peel the milk dud back. Then we gotta lay these edges back, cause ain't nobody finna snatch my edges. I'll be damned. I feel like I shouldn't have to explain myself, but I'm finna explain myself anyway. You already know you have to make the stocking cap match the head. It needs to get bottle on, and that's it. See, I shouldn't have to tell y'all whether it's a closure or a full lace front. You make that motherfucking skin. You make it match. You make it match your skin. Look like Steve Harvey. Who else is bald-headed? Megamind? No, but I mean like a human. Who else is bald, y'all? Is Shaq bald? Yeah, him. Long story short, please just put contour on your psych cap. I don't know what that whole bald rant was, but it got the job done. Okay, bear with me. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I am finna fight the mannequin head. Now, can I explain myself? No. Should I explain myself? Probably not. Am I going to apologize to Bethany later? Probably still not. Just, I don't know what that was, but I'm gonna leave it in because, yeah. Am I singing? I just throw the whole video away. Okay, so this is a 10-inch 13 by, wait, no, I'm lying. It's a 10-inch 16 by 3 lace. It's like a full lace wig or whatever, right? With like the elastic band and stuff. It's a T-part wig. I'm not even gonna lie, when I first got it, it was giving the girls Party City, but then I had to put my magic on it, hot comb it, press it down on an extra, and also, yeah, cut that back lace part off. I don't know why full lace wigs like to give you the back lace part, but like, cut that off unless you want to glue it down. But then why would you want to glue up your back naps? Did that? I'ma just cut it off, and then yeah, it's a good wig. It's nice and soft, and to be honest, it don't even shed like that for real, girl. Like, it's a good wig. The link and everything, like all the details will be in the link, and it will be in the description. Okay, yes, that was the look of surprise because I'm telling y'all, when I tell y'all, the wig was giving the girls Party City. Hold on, let me send you a video I actually sent to my friend. Hold on, because it was giving the girls Party City. Don't say shit because I don't want to fucking hear. I like the fucking wig. I'm gonna kill myself. But anyway, why? It don't even move. Ah! Yeah, so that was that, and now it looks good. Now it's giving luxury, and it's giving baddie times 100,000 trillion million on you hoes, y'all. So feel free to enjoy this clip of me, just celebrating the master wiggetry. That is okay. You're doing a bit too much. Sit your ass down. Okay, so now back to business. So right now I'm finna cut this big lace, this big girl lace into 3 sections, and then we finna glue it down section by section, as you will see here with the speed up and the copyright free music. Thank you. Look, now we've discussed this. You're gonna take your glue spray. I like to use bedhead. Some people like to use Gots to Be. I'm not judging, but I'm judging. Take the spray, glue down the lace. This is crucial for when you're trying to make it look like it came straight out the scalps of your head. You feel me? But yeah, just, you know, watch monkey see, monkey do. And I'm not a monkey. I just heard that because I'm black. Don't call me a monkey because you think you funny and you're not. But yeah, thank you.
Few inches later.
Okay, now that we let like our edges settle, you know, settle into our skin, now we finna go on with the eyebrow razor. Yes, eyebrow razor. We don't use scissors because I don't trust myself with scissors that close to my face. But yeah, we finna go in by each section and cut the lace off. You feel me? So it gives nice precision, and that way we don't have like a straight line. Never cut your lace straight. It won't look realistic. And yeah, it's finna hurt a little because you just sprayed your lace down to your head, so you gotta peel it up a bit. But you know, beauty is pain. What did Beyonce say? Pretty hurts. Oh, give me my Grammy. Okay, we have now made it to the edges portion of today's video. The most complicated part, if you ask me. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all know how long it took me to learn edges? Like, my wigs just be bald in the front. Not judging you if your wig be bald in the front, but like, anyway, so you finna pull out 4 sections of like thin hair. Thin-ish hair, like you don't want it too thin, but you don't want it too thick to where your edges look like wedges or alleges. You know, alleges, adult edges. That was smart as fuck. I'm finna patent that shit, and I'm finna trademark that shit, and watch. That's gonna be the new, I'm gonna make alleges edge cream. I'm a genius. Wow. Wow, that the motherfucker that made Teslas need to watch his fucking back. Anyway, pull out 4 sections of hair, not too thin, not too thick. And then I like to separate it out by using wax to make sure like the rest of the hair don't get mixy, like it don't get mixy. And then after, you know, you can watch, use your eyes, you know what I'm saying? After we separate all 4 edges, we finna go in with the bed head again, and we finna spray down the lace just to make sure it's super tight, super right. You know what I'm saying? So really just watch what I'm doing, and what I'm saying finna make sense. Alright now, y'all, so last but not least, now we have to style these hoes. So we just gonna cut, swoop, and do. And I use what I use is the Got To Be black gel stuff that's in the bottle. Yeah, if you saw my last wig install, you know what I'm talking about. But I use that for my edges, and I use that, and I use mousse. Yeah. So really, I really can't say much, because I don't know how y'all do y'all edges, but this is how I do my edges. So just watch me do my edges, and then we gonna head to the outro. Yeah.
So that's about wraps this video. Yeah, it's dark outside. Yeah, it's dark outside. It's actually like 7:30. Girl, hold on. It's 7:29. I finished all this shit early as fuck, cause y'all know I like to do shit in like the pits of hell time. But yeah, I'm gonna leave the link to the hair and everything in the bio on the Byrina. You know what I'm saying? This shit is soft. This shit don't shed. This look cute. And to be honest, when I first got it, I thought it was giving the girls Party City wig. You know, I had to put my little touch, my little je ne sais quoi, my little, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so. But yeah, so that should about wrap this video. I'm sorry for the quality. I use my front camera. Don't say anything. I'm sorry. Don't forget to create your own happiness, and I'll see you the next time I decide to install a wig on camera. She looked like a star, but only on camera. Only on. Bye!